Hi, my name is Filip from Easy Tutorials, and today I will show you how to create a thumbnail for free and very fast using Canva. To go to this website, you can go to canva.com or use the link in the description. So if you want to have a nice looking professional thumbnail for your YouTube, keep watching this video. So let's go. When you are inside Canva, just click over here and type in YouTube thumbnail. And let's say you want to start from a blank. Click create a blank YouTube thumbnail. On the left side you have lots of templates, so you can just click over here, see all. If you hover over it, you can see that this thumbnail is, for example, this template is free. Just click on the template, and over here you can see that you can now change the things like text, images, and so on. So let's change this text, for example. Design tips, for example, my top design tips. Now just select all the text inside, and over here in the upper corner you can change the font, for example. Let's choose this one, and let's reduce the size over here. Like this. Let's change the font style over here also to be horizon and reduce the size like this. Let's remove these cakes and let's change the background color. Just click on it and over here change the background color to be, for example, blue. Click on the image. You don't need to delete it. Just go over here on the left side, click more and click over here photos. And type in design. If you see this crown over here, this means this is a premium image, and I recommend you to try at least this Canva Pro. So let's, for example, just choose the image, move it over here, and this is it. To download it, just go to download and download this PNG to preserve the maximum quality. Click download, and now if you open this thumbnail you can see that it's looking good. And this is how you create a thumbnail using Canva. Drop some comments below, drop some likes, subscribes, and see you in some other tutorial. See you later. Bye bye.